started operations on the Northeast store back in 2016. Back then, we didn't have any funding. It was just a clear idea, determination, and the willingness to figure things out. Today, we've built something solid with a very good customer base, a strong team, and we are growing year over year.
We have been running Eurotech Private Limited for 6+ years. And last year we have crossed 18 lakhs plus in revenue. It has been a steady growth, not just in sales, but how we have expanded, reached new markets, and built a stronger customer base. Every year we have grown, and now we are ready to scale up even further.
Our vision has always been to go beyond just local reach. We've built the foundation, now it's about scaling up, expanding into the new market, improving capacity, and also strengthening our brand. We want to create more jobs, adopt better technology, and also build something from Meghalaya that stands out anywhere.
When you've built the basic, the next step is about scaling with the right exposure and backing. It's not just a competition, but it's a platform for businesses like ours to reach to a wider audience and also to connect with people who can help us grow and really unlock the next level.
The Megapreneur Startup Challenge is a statewide search to find the top 5 startups that will represent Meghalaya at the grand pitching segment of the Megapreneur Expo 2025. It's a unique challenge for startups to showcase what they've built, get real visibility, connect with investors, and take their business to the next level.
If you want to participate in this statewide search, here is what you will need. You need to be a resident of Meghalaya. You should be adult Indian citizen. Your business should be registered as a private limited company or about to register. Your business should have a turnover of at least 35 lakhs or have a strong growth potential. You should have a working product or service. You should have a year-on-year growth. You should be focused on job creation. You should have a solid team, innovation in your product or service or model, and your business should be ready to adapt or already using technology. Pure trading businesses or family extensions will not qualify. This is for original founder-led businesses and startups only.
From across Meghalaya, 25 startups will be shortlisted to pitch in the next round, and 5 will get a chance to represent the state at the Megapreneur Expo 2025.
We have built through struggle. Now let's build with support. Let's build Meghalaya.
Kinahikai Gibran Pokalama jang Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya FASTOM hak arpu artrek nai luar arhajar arpusan da sedang ya kejunya ki jangki da gabapenlong da kejinyat pada namadan malki chala cumia teter bat penkut biang hamadan malki ban sedang pat da kabeshong hak ne caka habagran nigila patai kubor ubasan bon jungai u Vice President FASTOM ulong bah kejingelang jong ka general meeting kinahikai school ad hoc karai ban penlong da kejunya ki haka arpu arterek unai luar. Daga bihat pat ba kabajajai berperish ke sarkar bakum kinahikai school ad hoc kila sedang ya kejinya ki daga bakadau rup kena kejinya ki kan beteng mentah daga kejinya syang daga jaka ke baklembo por bagi program ki ban sebut on senang pentip hadian. Ubasan bon mulai tu bagi kejinya dawa kinahikai school ad hoc kalong banra no ya kinahikai school ad hoc ban kentiu ki syaka deficit system. Haka bakum kinahikai school ad hoc kila agin syakrish ki kena mentala lai po haru sa pos na miyay ndehedo mentak kidang itu eki kum kini kai ad hoc kum tak sarkar kan kam menchna ya kimat trekam ki ban penjano ek kerteng ad hoc kenang benden kejin kentiau tulap kum melong lang kiwi kini hikai namar baka qualification ro kilong kum kiwi kini hikai
tihakan ni ka general meeting ru kini hikai da kawai kasur kila shinbek ya kawai kara bangin sedang no ya kajingeki Dia kajinya ki kajongi ka bangi sedang mentah ka sengi ka batle i ka long bed da kajinya ya pai ba ka bajai jai tang bangin pen I sya ka sarkar ba kum kinong kai school ad hoc nila sedang ya ka jingya ki ke jongi bat hadien mengilawan pai na kani ke jingya pai ba menta ngin ya syong hang ni ha ka jing syong kelan mongor ka baklem sange ke kadiman ka ba khamat do ka ba ka federation ka bu kalong baik banra no ya ki no kai school ad hoc sya ka deficit system lani sya ka deficit pattern ka bamut ka pay skill bat kiwei ki jingsi kata kadai kadiman ka bang ibu hakmat jong sarkar tingi tepru manadu kisnam gi baladep ka sarkar ka ai be ka daw ba omdon pisa nrai ngi tep syai balada ka sarkar ka don ya kamon kamut ka pisa kam don ei namar pan sna pisa ru kadai maka bat pan simrai ru kadai maka balai bang ibu e kan kadiman kum kinang kai school ad hoc mina syakri ban ai ya ka puli ka puti hati kena labun snam mila ban ong deki lai pau sau pau snam ndrai hadu menta ngidang yai sa hi kum kita kinohi kai ad hoc kei ka badan kam menta kamut ba ka sarkar kadai ban sna ya kita ki policy ke ban penjakno e kan ka kerteng ad hoc kamut kenang bangin yo da kata ka jing siu ka ba man la ka por kamut kan don ka jing kiu jong ka tulok kum balong lem kiwei ki para no hikai namala rang yakran ya kata ka qualification ma kumno la thung ya yang ki no hikai ngimdan gejing ya per ni de kiju ni pendap ya kaju pacing puli kiju ikerdan hendrai gejing ya per ka bami hang ni pat kadai tang ha gejing siu te kamut ngikir pat ya ka sarkar ba kadai ban sim no ya ka sin jam kamut ban kerja no ikini ki ad hoc bat pan ketiu kerdan ni baro kino hikai school ad hoc ni kum kino hikai school kai ka ba kongsan ni ai di kena kaspa ba mo ngila panong hi kum ki kimi ki kpa kai kaspa ka bangin ai ki kun ka dai tang ka puli ka puti te ngi kino hikai ad hoc ru ni ai kata kaspa ba te balai ka sarkar kam ithu ben ya kata ka jing yarap ka jongi ya ka state te hadu mentah ha ngi kubur ba ka sarkar kampej ya kaliang ka puli ka puti kalau ong bangi lale sibun ha kaliang ka puli ka puti ndrai ha ka bakut ana ngi pej ba khamtam ba kino hikai ad hoc misa be kumju kum nuksa ngen ayapi ma ngila hikai mentala jan life house nem ma kaju katulap bat uniu no hikai berang wan thamai tamudur ma pitang hangta kai ka buram ka jongi ken ha ka emlang ka sala tapi ha ka bayadai bat kani ka report jong ka State Education Commission ha nyem yo hakti ya ka report ndrai la tip yang ngi daki official jong ke education department bat katu katni na ki member ba kamdon AA kanu ka recommendation na ka commission ka bayadai bat ka jingkentiu ya ka tulop jong kinohi kai ad hoc ya alor kata kanong lim kamut ba ngidawa ya ka sarkar ba kadai ban le AA yang kinohi kai ad hoc namar ba nila yarap ya ka state akal yang jong ka pudi